Clean Air Africa Research Unit developed a training manual on household air pollution. Already, 4,000 women have been trained to champion clean cooking in their villages. But our dream is bigger. We seek to empower all community health promoters across Kenya to become ambassadors of clean cooking technologies. Our commitment extends beyond our borders. At the first African Climate Summit held in Nairobi in 2024, I joined hands with other First Ladies and women energy leaders to issue a call to action for a clean energy transition. I will continue to advance this agenda at the forthcoming Second African Climate Summit in Ethiopia, ensuring that clean cooking remains a priority in Africa's energy transition discourse. This is not just Kenya's mission. It is a continental vision. Ladies and gentlemen, in line with Vision 2030, we are undergoing significant transformation, adopting more efficient and environmentally friendly practices that go beyond energy conservation. The mission is to build a healthier, safer, and more prosperous Kenya for generations to come. Our dream is bold, yet deeply human, that no child should cough in a smoky kitchen, no woman should train under the weight of firewood, and no family should be stripped of dignity simply because of how they cook their meals. Together, let us make this dream a reality. Let us light stoves of hope, of health, and of dignity in every Kenyan home. I now officially open the Clean Cooking Week 2025. Asanteni sana. Namvera. Mungu awabariki. Asanteni sana.